All right, good Monday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. We can see temperatures across the state. A lot of us in the 30s, lower 40s down there into the southwestern part of the state. Let me refresh this map. There we go. There was actually just a 5-inch report that came in across the Algona area. These are 12-hour snowfall amounts. So over the past 12 hours, of course, we've had that winter storm working across the area. We have seen a change in the system. We'll have to continue to see how snowfall amounts come in, but it looks like for the most part, dry air was for the win for a lot of us here in terms of doubling those snowfall amounts here. So we can see, as we look at the visible satellite this morning, in the lower levels, you can actually see the dry air being shoved up into Iowa this morning, and that's these yellow contours. That's exactly what that shade is basically dry air pushing up into the state here. And so we're going to continue to see that generally across the central and into the southwestern part of the state. So that does go up into northwest Iowa, as you can see there. But as you get up into the northeastern part of the state, that's where I do believe we will see snow ongoing here through the morning. And we'll get to that here in just a second. But guys, you know, dry air pushing up into the state. We're cutting down on the snow totals because of it, but also we're ending the snow a little bit early as well. So as we go through about 7 a.m., really close to about the time we're recording this, you can see, again, along east of Fort Dodge, along and east of Esterville, east of Des Moines, that's going to be kind of that corridor for snow today as we go through about 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and then through about that noon time frame. We're just going to continue to see, again, that northeastern section of the state here where snow is continuing to be the main theme through the rest of the morning, through the afternoon. May mix with sleet as we get down into the southeastern counties here as you get through about noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Can't rule out as we get into the evening time frame this evening that we see maybe some flurries, a brief snow shower. Might be a little bit more intense farther to the south here as this storm continues to pivot just a little bit. So we're not 100% out of the woods farther to the south and west, but for the most part, snowfall amounts, snowfall accumulation, it's pretty much done here. Now as we look through about 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., going through about 11 midnight tonight, you can see just a few flurries or snow showers existing across our northeastern counties as we get towards about midnight tonight, but that will be about it. So looking at additional snowfall accumulation with this round here and looking at a good 2 to 6 inch banding here. And again, some of this has already fallen already this morning, but this is additional through the day today. 2 to 6 inches mainly across the northeastern counties. So looking at the wind for today, looking at a east-southeasterly wind about 10 to 25 miles per hour, we'll call it, with gusts up there probably 25 to 35 through a good portion of the day. As you get into tonight here, we'll see those winds subside. So looking at high temperatures today, a lot of us in the 30s, lower 40s off into southern Iowa as we get into later on tonight here. Definitely cool those temperatures down, especially across the northern part of the state. Looking at a lot of us in the middle to upper 20s, and then obviously lower 30s down there into southern Iowa. Looking at the next system that we're going to be watching is going to be coming in Wednesday, Thursday. I'll show you a couple different models here. Here's one solution showing rain working in Wednesday afternoon, followed by some snow on the backside. For a good portion of the state here, Wednesday night into Thursday. Want to focus on the exact evolution of this model, how it brings it back into northwest Iowa, because there is the next model that I'm going to show you that does not do that. So as we get into Wednesday afternoon, we start working that rain in. We get into Thursday, you can see cutting off a little bit of northwest Iowa on any precipitation here. So this will be something we will have to fine tune as to how far west the system can be, or is it leaving northwest Iowa out of the system. So something we will keep a close eye on here as we go through the next couple days. Looking at total precipitation with that round there, this total liquid, you can see, again, it's even the data that takes 60 different computer models and blends it all together, it's still cutting off the northern part of the state here. So again, going to continue to watch things, keep you updated on that note, but looking at high temperatures over the next couple of days here, 30s lower to middle 40s is kind of the overall idea here as we get deeper into the week, especially by Thursday, 40s statewide, and then by Friday, maybe we're starting to bring back in some lower 50s. Obviously, we got that snow on the ground now, especially across the northern half of the state, so that is going to keep those temperatures chillier at the surface. But as we get into Saturday, have to watch things here. Maybe we can get some 50s coming back into the state by this upcoming weekend. But so that's all for now. Hope you guys have a great day.